Marco Colbert, Speedo Cobra Finish Network. So I have a project that's been under the wraps for literally forever. I have my original 2000 Civic Si. You guys even know Hondas, know that these things are extremely rare, especially to get them in the electric blue pearl. They're actually definitely considered a collector's car. Pretty much all original. The only thing that's modified on it is the suspension and literally an intake system. You guys have seen this car just chilling under a piece of plastic on pretty much every video in the last 6 months. So we finally got this thing out the woodworks, did some body work to it, spot primed everything feathered off really nice. A little bit of our Speedo Coat 1K sealer primer over some of these primer spots. What I like about this stuff is you can literally lay it right in the middle of a panel and it won't leave that hard edge that other primers would. Like, you can base coat right over that and you'll have no problems. This primer is probably one of the best primers I've ever used. This quarter panel was an absolute dump. Had to strip this thing down to bare metal. So yeah, pretty much every panel of this car had a dent, rust, a scratch. So I just decided to go ahead and just do a full body respray. Plus, a lot of you guys that know Hondas, pretty much every B95P, G95P, the pearls in these paints over 10 years, they really fade a lot. So when you give these things a respray, they look brand new again. You can see the pearls and the sparkle in the paint. So really, when you get one of these cars, it's really best just to do a full body respray. Do it right, freshen the whole car up, make it look nice. Let's get to spraying. Guys, so that wraps it up for the SI. 1 month restoration. This is what it is. I started this car at the beginning of March. I really pushed the button on it, really worked hard on it. Got a couple things to button up. We still got to put new suspension on it, new tires, got new bottom motor mounts, new floor mats coming in. Some of the panels I got to adjust a little bit. You guys can see some of the lines are off a little bit, but overall this car looks amazing. And not to brag, guys, but this is off the gun. No wet sand, no polish, clear as day. Very minimal orange peel. It's got a nice factory look to it. You guys know me, pretty much all my work is off the gun. I never wet sand and polish. Quite frankly, I will sand a panel down and redo it before I wet sand and polish. I wanted this car, as soon as I peeled the tape off, to look glamorous and look like a show, I wouldn't say a show car, but look like an OEM car. Original headlights, restored them, came out beautiful. Got the original SI badge. I do have the original dual red cam stickers coming in as well. I know a lot of you guys actually saw this car in my last episode of Chasing Classic Cars. You guys probably saw it in the background, like, holy crap, look at that thing. Primer all over it, 3 different colors, you know, and look at it now. Looks like an original OEM 2000 Honda Civic. Looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor. All right, so that wraps up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe. Guys, I am trying my hardest to bring you guys the best content out there. Tell your friend, tell your friend's friend, tell your grandmother, tell whoever you want to tell. We are still going to be out here producing videos for you guys, regardless of what's going on out there. All right, so I'll see you guys on the next episode.